Hi, and welcome back to PDQ PD. Today I'm going to show you something that's really very simple to accomplish, and that is downloading Drive onto your computer if you have a desktop or a laptop. Now you may be asking yourself, why would I want to do that? That's a very good question. You see on the screen here I have accessed my Google Drive online. And in this case, if I wanted to bring in a file, an upload file, from my computer, if I made something on my computer, I could go here and click File Upload. I would select from my desktop or somewhere else what I wanted to upload, and then I would upload that onto my device. Now that's kind of an extra step. By downloading the drive onto your computer, you eliminate that step. Another reason that you might want to do that is if you're using something like our Canvas Learning Management System. When you want to bring in files from your Google Drive into your Canvas Learning Management System, which is an awesome thing to do, you need to have some sort of connection between the online drive, the online Google Drive, and your Canvas account. And that's where this downloading of the drive comes into play. So first I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'll show you what the result is. So it's really very simple. Right now, I'm on my Google Drive, and if you'll look over here on the right-hand side, there's the Settings window. And if I click on the Settings window, I have some options here: Settings, Download Drive, Keyboard Shortcuts, and Help. I'm going to select the Download Drive. It's going to take me away from my drive for a moment, and it's going to take me here where I can download. It gives me the option to download. Now, the download is not in the most strict sense. It's not truly downloading a program, but what it's doing is it's a downloading a file that allows your cloud-based Google Drive to sync with your computer. So the files truly aren't going to be on your computer, just the sync to your cloud Google Drive will be on your computer. So I'm here in the download drive. Click the download drive. I have an option for my desktop, Mac or PC, an Android device, a phone for example, or iPhone, an iPad. Now, personally, I have this downloaded onto my phone as well, and I can access all my files from my phone. But in this case, I'm going to select Mac and PC. I'm going to click on this. I have to agree to the terms of service, and I would click the agree and download. Now I'm not going to do this right now simply because I already have it on this computer. So when you click on that, you'll walk through the setup there, and it will download the drive. At that point, what will happen is I'm going to go to my desktop, or go to my, in the case of a Macintosh, it's the Finder. You could go onto your My Computer if you are on the Windows device. And you see over here on the left, I have my applications, all my files, downloads, and then here you see Google Drive. Now again, remember, this isn't in the most true sense, it's not a Google Drive, it's just a sync. And the first time it'll take a little bit to sync those choices, but when I click on it, you will see everything that I'll see on my Google Drive. It will look a little bit different in terms of organization, but you're really not going to do a lot of manipulating from within here, so it's not that important. You can still go into here and search your Google Drive to find the file that you want. And then once you click on it, you can upload it to your Canvas or whatever instance you want. So I'm going to click out of that. And really, that's all there is to it. If you download it for your phone, it will bring up the icon on your phone. The first time you log in, it will ask you the same login and password information that you would use if you were on your desktop. And you'll find that you have all of your files right at your fingertips, literally, on your cell phone. So that's a really great thing. So that's how you download Drive onto your desktop or your smartphone. Hope this has been helpful to you, and as always, if you have any hints for future tech tips, please feel free to email me. Thanks, and have a great day.